Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign up on ChatGPT. So you have to go for your Google browser and search for ChatGPT. Now you can see a page like this. Then go for the sign up option. Okay. Then you have to enter your email address here. And you can also go for continue with Google and choose your email address. After that, you have to enter your first name and last name and your month, uh, birth month, birth date, and birth year. So, okay, go for your mobile number. Okay, oh, now it sends you a code. I have to wait for. Okay, then copy it and paste the code here. Now you can see I've already signed out here. So this is how you can sign up on ChatGPT. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.